Hello Facebook, hello everybody, Jamie here. Happy Monday to everybody. Hope you had an awesome weekend. Hope you got outside and enjoyed that beautiful weather that we had. It was nice and warm and beautiful. It is nice to be back. Marcus and I were gone for the weekend, so it is nice for us to be back and back at work. So today's been a very busy day. Thank you everybody for joining me. Thank you for watching me. Hello to everybody. If you are watching me live, if you can put hashtag live in the comments. If you're watching on the replay, hashtag replay. I appreciate everybody's support. I appreciate you watching. I appreciate you supporting Aroma Thyme and all of our staff. It is very greatly appreciated, so thank you. I see Tammy on. I see a bunch of other people joining, so give me a thumbs up so I know that you're here, and I appreciate it. Oh, hello Tammy, hello from Florida, hello to Florida. Nice to see you on. Hope you are enjoying Florida. Good friends of ours moved to Florida, so hope you're enjoying. And let's see, so today's Monday, so we started a new $9.99 special for the week. It is beef tips with broccoli and teriyaki to go. We also have our $34.99 special, 2 ribeyes and a bottle of wine to go. You have a choice of 4 different reds and 1 white, Chardonnay. And let's see, tonight is Monday night. We have our wine dinner tonight. So if you're watching and you want to make last minute plans, we have our wine dinner tonight, 4 wines and a dish for $29. We'll be doing it outside in our garden. We are busy tonight. Our wine dinner is almost sold out. We have a bunch of other tables coming in. So thank you very much, everybody. Hello, Ralph. Hello, Blanca. I appreciate you all watching me. So let's see. We were away. We were in Martha's Vineyard for the weekend. It was really nice to be away, enjoy the nice weather, enjoy some friends. We did a lot of running and biking and walking. So that was awesome. And let's see, what else? So today, so Marcus and I brought these awesome drinks away with us, these live. I talked about them last week, last Thursday before we left. I talked about good traveling drinks. These are 100-calorie craft vodka cocktail drinks. We have a lime fizz and a watermelon crush. So these are from LIV, Long Island Spirits, down in Long Island. These are awesome. They are on our shelves, so if you want to come grab some, they're great for boating. They're great to just put in a bag, take with you, enjoy something refreshing. And they were fun. We had a good time with those. Those were really enjoyable and nice and refreshing. We just wanted a drink, but we didn't want anything high in calories and something low in calories. So yeah, if you are around tonight, want to come to our wine dinner, $29, 4 wines and a dish. And today my drink is a spicy Paloma, so I'm going to get started on my spicy Paloma. So Paloma is typically grapefruit, soda, agave, and tequila. And I'm going to add a little bit of Ancho Ray's spicy chili Ancho Ray liqueur, so spicy liqueur to it. So I'm going to start with some ice in my shaker. I'm going to add about 1.5 ounces of Pueblo Viejo Blanco tequila. So this distillery down in this tequila maker down in Mexico. This is an awesome story. I know I talk about it quite a bit, but this is our well, and it's not really well, but this is a woman-owned business. She's very big on supporting women. She has a daycare on facility. Back during the agave wars, her husband was killed. They were hoping that she would shut down her distillery and not open because, you know, women didn't really have distilleries back then. So, but she continued, she kept fighting, and she is a woman-owned distillery down in Mexico making great tequila. So support them, it's awesome, they're great. They just changed their label. So I don't have a new one in front of me, but they just changed their label. We use this in our frozen margaritas here at Aroma Thyme. We use them in our regular margaritas. This is an awesome tequila. So I am going to put about 1/2 ounce of the Ancho Ray's chili liqueur. And I am going to add a splash of agave. and about a half an ounce of lime juice, and about a half an ounce of grapefruit juice. I'm going to fill my glass with ice. Sorry about that, everybody. When the phones ring here in Aroma Thyme, they ring on my phone too. So, it kind of stops for a minute. I'm gonna pour that on ice, and I'm gonna top it with a little bit of soda, and I'm gonna mix that all up. And there we have it, a spicy Paloma. I love Palomas. I should make a Paloma in our slushy. Ooh, that's good. Yummy. Awesome drink. Nice and refreshing. Nice Paloma. Spicy Paloma. That is it for today. I will be back tomorrow. Marcus and I might do a Wine Time live tonight if we have some time in a little bit here. He has a call soon. So if we can get in a Wine Time live, we're going to do that before we open tonight. And that's it. Enjoy the beautiful weather. Get outside, hike, bike, run, do something outside, sit outside, get some vitamin D. I feel like we are towards the end of all of this. This year and a half has been crazy. And that's it. Enjoy your day. I will catch everybody soon. Thanks again for your support. Thanks for watching. $9.99 special this week is beef tips with broccoli and rice to go. And we also still have that $34.99 special to go, 2 ribeyes and a bottle of wine. We're open for to go. We're open outside. And that's it. It's almost Memorial Day weekend. Can you believe it? I can't. Have an awesome day, everybody, and we will catch you tomorrow or later today. Have a good night. Cheers.